Hey everyone, I'm Retro Anju, and I might just have a problem. So I have no new information for you about my live stream because I cannot help myself, and I'm making this video right on the tail end of the last video. I love opening these packs, and I can't stop. But here we are. This search for reserve list cards is just fun to me. It's fun to see all these old cards that I may not have actually even seen before. And finding some that I'd forgotten had existed, that's just fun for me. Is it fun for you guys? Is this little trip down memory lane fun for you? My memory lane, obviously, not yours. Oh, hey, look, it's Joven. Why this red dude has ferrets, not really sure, but I mean, it is what it is, right? Carapace. Ebony Rhino. Ooh, look at that stat line. 4/5 trample for 7 mana. Yeah, creatures used to be really bad back in the day. Really, really bad. Hey look, it's another sea troll. And a Winter Sky, which is on the reserve list. So that's nice. Yay, 1 for 1 now, this video. Moving on to pack 2. Alright, Annaba Shaman. Which, if you guys are paying attention, there's a big Minotaur tribe theme in this set. I guess can't use tribe anymore, can we? I'm not really sure why, but I think they've stopped using tribal. But there's a Samite Alchemist, Feast of the Unicorn, Shrink, Mesa Falcon, Willow Fairy. Believe it or not, 1/2 flying for 2 mana. It was really good back in the day. Really good. Beastwalkers. Oh, that's a reserve list card. That's nice. I didn't even know that was a thing. And Evaporate. There we go. Banding until end of turn. That's pretty bad. Alright then. So we are 2 for 2 with our reserve list cards. That's pretty nice. Alright, Abbey Matron, which is kind of a scary looking artwork there. Scary looking person. Some Bureaucrats, Feast of the Unicorn, Alibun's Tower, Labyrinth Minotaur, Ambush Party, Abbey Gargoyles, and Wizard School. Yeah. Okay, so we struck out on that one. That's okay. Because, hey, can't have them all, can we? Not immediately. Moving on to pack number 3 of 5. And be desperately in a hurry not to think about me dropping that entire box open onto the floor. But we'll pick it up later. Singir Bats, Jinx, Carapace, Annaba Bodyguard, which is a bodyguard, not a Minotaur. I mean, I'm sure that's been changed by now, but things were weird back in the day. So weird. Samite Alchemist, Headstone, Veldrain of Sengir, that's a reserve list, and Giant Oyster, not reserve list. But that's a big pearl. Alright. So, we are 3 for 4. It's still pretty good. Still liking it. Still better than a 50% hit rate per pack. Moving on to the last pack of this video. Annaba Shaman, Abbey Matron, slightly less scary looking than the other one we looked at. Cemetery Gate, Giant Albatross, Labyrinth Minotaur, yeah. Labrador Retriever. Willow Fairy. Marjan, which is reserve list. Okay. And Mystic Decree, which is also reserve list. All right, double reserve list pack. So we are 5 for 5. That was a good opening. I like that. Guys, be sure to like and subscribe. Tell your friends about me. Help me try to grow this channel. Get it out there. As always, thanks for watching.